Have you ever been fired?
I have never told anyone.
I have already told you.
I have never trusted him.
You have never understood.
Have you ever used it?
Have you done this before?
I have already found it.
We have already taken it.
Has it started yet?
I have already begun.
My time has already passed.
Your grandmother has just passed.
How long have you had it?
I have never, ever dated.
No, we have never met.
I have never done that.
You have all done bad things since you arrived here.
Are you coming up?
We haven't exactly established that yet.
How long have we known each other?
You kissed her yet?
Not yet.
Like, calm down. It hasn't happened yet. It's not done.
I have never been better.
Has he called you back? Not yet.
Has she spoken yet? Has she told you anything?
Have you slept with him yet?
What have I done? What have I done?
How long have you been married?
Have you ever loved someone?
Have you forgiven me yet?
Hey, it hasn't come to that yet.
Have you ever been dumped?
You guys have been friends since kindergarten.
How long have you known? Since forever.
I haven't explained the situation well enough yet.
You haven't understood at all.
I have never, ever blamed you